Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you guys would like to see this look, just keep on watching. All products and details will be left in my description box, and all these products come from my store, Infinite Beauty. This isn't my store, but this is my section. This is my section. So yes guys, I'll be showing you the different lashes I use, the different products I use to achieve this look. So just keep on watching guys so much, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay you guys, I'll be taking my J.Cat eyeshadow primer in the shade Nude and applying it on my eyelids. I just dab it on my eyelids, simple basic technique, you know. Just get it all over. Okay you guys, so I'm going to be going in and using this palette to get my transition shade. So I'm going to just go into my crease and just start blending that in the windshield wiper motion, back and forth. To me, that really is the key to blending, moving in the windshield wiper motion, back and forth in a circular motion. So yes, I'm just going to keep deepening that transition shade in my crease and just building it up. So I'm going to darken it with another transition shade in the Miora palette. I'll leave the products description in my box because I am not at work right now and I don't know these products by heart, which I should have put them down in my notes, but I didn't, so I'll leave them in the description. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking this palette and going in with the red and deepening in my outer corner. As you can see, I'm just blending that out lightly, just getting the color to show, which is a very pigmented palette itself, but you know, I just like deepening my colors because I want them to show vivid. So yes, I'm going to keep blending that. Now I'm going to go in that same palette and take like a plum pinkish shade and bring that in my inner corner, like above my crease, my inner corner. And yes, it's two different shades, but I'm telling you, like when the look is fully done, it's going to come together like it will. I know I look a mess right now, so you guys, trust the process. So I'm going to continue blending that red and get it to be more intense because I really want this color to show a lot. So I'm just going to keep blending and blending. Okay guys, I'm going back into that same palette I used with my transition shade and taking a dark brown, and I'm going to deepen my crease. When you do this cut crease, it's going to be very important if you want that look, you know what I'm talking about. You want to continue deepening those shades and colors. Okay guys, so I'm going to go back in with the J.Cat eyelid primer, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. You can go in with a concealer, either or, it really doesn't matter, but I find this base to work very well when I'm applying nice colors. So I'm going to cut my crease in like a moon shape, a half a moon shape. Like you guys, I have very hooded eyes, so I cut my crease, you know, like yes, they're horrible, and my eyelids were pretty swollen for the night before. So yes, that's what we're gonna work with. So I'm going back in with that plum shade and just bringing it into my inner corner a little bit just to build that color. So I'm going to go back in with this palette, and I'm going to go in with the black, and I'm going to put that in my inner and outer corners. As you guys see, pretty basic. Just make sure to be clean with your crease. Okay guys, I'm going back in with the J.Cat primer. I'm applying it in the middle of my eyelid, and I'll be going back into the palette and using that gold shade. It is so beautiful, I swear. It looks like a 24 karat gold on your eyelid, especially in person. I'm just going to carve that out. Please be careful because you want it a clean crease cut. I'm going to go back in with the black a little bit, just blending all that together. And yes, you see, it's a process, but we're getting there. Alrighty, so I'm taking my favorite NYX eyeliner, and I was trying to do my eyeliner, you guys, but it was so hard, and I really just had to get up and do it off camera. And this looks horrible, but I went back in and cleaned my eyeliner all up, and I went in and did my eyeliner over my cut crease. Okay guys, so I went on and did my eyeliner and my lashes and stuff because I kind of kept getting interrupted. But like I did kind of record and just went over how I did like my eyeliner. Be taking my Filt'r smoothing skin primer and the matte, and it works so great, you guys. This is one of my favorite primers. And I'll be going in with my concealer, medium beige, and the LA Girl Pro. Just taking that and putting it underneath my eyes, and yeah, you guys know how that goes. Okay guys, I'm going in with my Neutral Tan Stay Matte But Flat NYX Concealer, which I love. And I'll just be doing the same thing. This is one of my favorite concealers. I swear, it's 24 hours and waterproof. I'm telling y'all, it's thebomb.com. So next I'll be taking my Fenty Beauty Foundation and applying that onto my face. And to be honest, it is very pigmented, so I just put a few dots all over, like, yeah. Just a little goes a long way with the Fenty Beauty. So I'll be taking this rose water spray and spraying it on my cosmetic sponge while I go in and blend. I feel like it helps my makeup melt into my skin, and just, I don't know, I love when my makeup looks like skin. It just blended so well. So yes, I'm just gonna go in and continue blending. I'm going to take that rose water again and just spray it to set my concealer. I just wanted to mount it to my skin once again. So yes, that's a good technique to use too. If you don't want your foundation, if you find your makeup looking cakey and whatnot, yes, just go in and use rose water. Coconut water works well too, and you can get that from my store at Different Beauty. I'm just blending my foundation in a circular motion while dabbing it into my skin, making sure I'm not dragging it because I want full coverage. I really don't want, this is a really good brush, so it will not pick up any foundation. And this is a J.Cat foundation brush. I said blush, but I meant brush. But you guys, please be sure to dab, not drag. I feel like that's a huge problem. A lot of people tell me they're just dragging. So yes, dab, like I'm doing with this concealer. Dab, baby, dab. Okay, you guys, I'll be going in with the Ruby Kisses setting powder in the shade Banana and putting that underneath my eyes to bake. I love this setting powder a lot. It only goes for like $7.99, $8.99, and it's thebomb.com. Please come to my store and come consult with me, and I'll help you get these bomb products and help you guys apply them. Like if you purchase these products, I can help you apply them on. So yes, that's another good deal we have. So I'll be taking the NYX concealer and the Stay Matte But Flat and the shade Mocha and just going in using that to contour. I love using a cream contour. I don't know, I feel like it gives more of a flawless finish, but that's just me. Okay guys, I'm going in with my Absolute Contour brush and I'm gonna blend my contour in, moving it in a circular motion back and forth, dabbing it in there, not dragging it too much, just dabbing and moving it in a circular motion. Okay guys, my phone stopped recording. I was so freaking upset. Oh my goodness. So I just went dust off all that banana powder with my pressed powder, and I went in with the J.Cat palette again and just used that dark shade to contour, to set my contour. And now I'm taking this Miora blush palette and going in adding blush. I don't know, I love blush, especially with this look. It's so rosy and cute. I don't know, I just look so sweet and innocent. Alright, so I'm going to take the rose water again and just spray that all over, just setting that. Alright, so I'm going back into that same palette and taking the black and that dark brown under my waterline. And I basically use this same palette throughout the whole entire video. So yes, it's mainly just two palettes. But yes, I'm just going underneath my waterline, making it do what it do. Gonna go back in with that red shade and just continue to put that into my inner corner, my waterline. You know, that's all simple. Gonna go back in with that plum shade and just do the same thing under my waterline. Hey guys, so I'm going in with this lime green eyeliner pencil, and I'm just going to take that lime green shade. And I wasn't able to record because it was so hard trying to record myself in the eyeliner. Like, oh my gosh, it's so hard. So you guys, I'm going to go in with the J.Cat contour palette again and use that highlighter shade in there. And it is so beautiful, one of my favorite. I know you guys saw one of the other highlighters was like almost gone. I love that one too. So only $10, so yes. Okay guys, I'm going back in with the rose water spray and just setting my face. And now I'm going to take my brown lip pencil in the shade Chocolate and applying that onto my lips to get an ombre lip. And you will see me overlining my lips a tad bit. So I'll do more of a detailed video on that because I do get a lot of questions about me overlining my lips. So yes. I'll be taking the shades Nude, Cameo, and Peanut Brittle and the Kiss Liquid Matte lipsticks and mixing them together to get an ombre lip. This is my signature ombre lip, you guys. Like when y'all see me post it up on Insta, Snap, like this is my go-to lippy, period. Like, yes. Last but not least, I'm going on my Absolute Setting Spray in the matte, and I'm just going to set everything. Yes, I'm going overboard with the setting spray, but cluck it. So you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it a lot. I appreciate you guys for tuning in and watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.